So I figured let me just vlog. Just finished filming, doing a little get ready with me. So I was like, let me just bring you guys with me to work. So a day in my life, I actually wanted to package. I'm on my way to work, you guys. I actually wanted to package some orders, some pickup orders before I left, but filming took a little longer than expected. I wanted to go into work a little earlier. My first patient isn't until a little later today, but I still wanted to go in a little earlier, but filming took a majority of my time. So yeah, I'll probably just like bring you guys with me when I go to work. I'm not going to be showing me doing any procedures or anything like that because yeah, maybe I'll show you guys some things or some machines, but I don't know if I'm comfortable yet to be showing what I do. But unless you are coming to my job, I will not be giving you any medical advice. I will just be showing what I do, and that's it, period, because I don't have time for the kids. But yeah, when I get back home, I will probably package some of my pickup orders, and yeah, it is bipolar in Miami, Florida right now, as always with these summer rainstorms. So yeah, I'll be back. To walking to my job now. Park my car. Getting ready to put on this mask so it can mess up all of my lip gloss. The worst thing you could do is put on a mask while wearing lip gloss. Can't stand it. So I am on my way home. Finally just clocked out of work. I didn't show you guys anything, my bad. I'm not ready for that yet. I'll bring you guys, not that I'm not ready, I literally got to work and I had so much shit to do. And yeah, soon come, I'll do a vlog with me at work and stuff. But I'm just so happy to be going home and to go home and pack some orders and to do some stuff, edit some videos. So yep. Now you see why. I'm trying to hold it. This is exactly why I hate doing my makeup, especially for work. I have to wear a mask anyway for a lot of my procedures, like I said, but with COVID, it's like, I hate it. I have so much makeup on my mask now. And then my lips are stuck to it. It's just a joke. Cute though. Cute. So I'm back. I'm in my little glam room / office. And I am going to just pack a few of my pickup orders that I have from some of my customers. So I already printed out my shipping label. I'm not gonna show it because it has the person's information on it, but I am going to pack it. So I have my business card and this little sheer bag that I have. So this person got some of my minis. This is Glitz Mini, Adorn Pink Mini, and Muse Me Mini. So they got this, and they also got lovely lashes, mink lashes from me. So I just add them in here, and I put the lashes in. And then I just go in with some little confetti paper, and I add it in here. So all of that is good in here. And so So mini 111 and lash 1. I always like to double check the invoice paper because there has been times, I'm gonna be honest, where I've made a mistake and like someone ordered 2 or 3 and I wasn't paying attention, and thank God it was someone who I knew. But I'm good and covered off of that. And then I also make sure that besides putting a business card, I also write a little thank you. So I have like some thank you cards, and I just write a personalized message and I say thank you for supporting me, because it's true, where would you be if you didn't have people purchasing from you and supporting you? So I go and I write a little thank you. Oh, since they're doing pickup, I have like a little shopping bag, and I just go, I put this order in, and I make sure to put their product list on here, their invoice, so it shows how much they spent and everything that they got. And then I make sure to add the thank you card, if it will go in, and some tissue paper. And it's ready for pickup. So then I do the same thing. So this next person got an Admire Me nude lip gloss, and then they also got the Vacation Me shades, the pink with gold trim. So now I'm gonna actually find those. So pink with gold trim, once again, just folding their invoice here, and gonna get another one of my sheer bags, drop it in here, and gonna grab another one of my business cards. And it's just good to always put a business card in there. That's what I learned. It's always good to have business cards on hand, because you never know who you'll run into and who you're talking to. Or if I were to go out right now, oh, who did your makeup? Oh, I do makeup, here's my business card. Because not everybody has an Instagram, not everybody has social media. They just like need your number, and it's just good to have. And then even with people who know you, like when you pack their order, it's nice when they have a business card, because you know, if they have it around and someone else is interested, they can just pass it on to somebody else. So this is good for the lip gloss, because the shades cannot fit in there. So we got that in there. Thank you. The invoice, the product, the thank you card, and now I just have to find the shades. So I got the Vacation Me shades. They're already packed and protected. So I'm just gonna drop that in here, and then once again, I'm gonna put this tissue paper in. And yeah, this is all I'm doing for this video. So once I'm done with that, I just go, I click ready for pickup, and then I communicate with them, and then we pick the right time and date for them to come get their stuff, and they don't have to pay for shipping. So thank you guys for watching this video, this vlog. I appreciate it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bells. A lot of good things are coming. And thank you for the support. Leave me some feedback about some videos that you would like to see, or any questions that you have. Like I said, the lashes that I'm wearing are called Flirty. I sell them on my website. I will have the website, my link down below in the description box below. Thank you for the support. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for my next video. Have a good day.